How to create an account on CapCut. Let's get right into it. First of all, launch the application. After you do that, CapCut will ask you if you would like to send in notifications, allow or don't allow it. After you do that, agree and continue to their terms of service and privacy policy. After that, ChatGPT will ask you what kind of content you want to create. You can either select any of the options over here or you can skip it from the top right corner of your screen. After you do that, you can see that you are already into CapCut. Now if you want to create an account, in the bottom right corner you can see the Me option over here. Simply go there, then in the top you can see tap to sign in. From there, you can either sign in with your Google, email, Facebook or Apple. I'm going to choose Google over here. After that, CapCut will show you your Google accounts on the device. Select the Google account you want to choose, then enter your password over here. After you enter your password, you will successfully be able to create an account on CapCut. Thanks for watching the video and see you in the next one.